Welcome back. On this video, we are talking about Rolex diamonds. There's a lot of misinformation about these watches. I got it from very close to the source of Rolex, somebody who works at Rolex. I'm not going to say their name, but they work with corporate. And this is basically what I heard. So a lot of the misconception is they are the best diamonds in the world. They are D-flawless. Everyone is D-flawless. That is a falsehood. It is, first of all, it is impossible to tell if everyone is D-flawless. You would have to have a GIA certification for each of those diamonds, right? To tell that they're D-flawless. Most of them, right, they have to meet this criteria. They have to be at least F color. F, typically not under F, but I've heard of some cases where it's slightly under F. But F color, it's pretty much is. That's their backbone, is F color. On the color diamond grading scale, it starts at D, so F is basically where most of the diamonds are. Now, it is also typically VS and up. Now, typically like VVS, right? Considered to be very, very good diamonds, right? So what this misconception is, it goes around everywhere. I see in it, literally every jeweler talk about gray market dealers. Rolex never says that they're all D-flawless. I don't know what their official statement is of these diamonds in their watches, but they're very, very clean, right? And it is that is the conception again, or the perception with most jewelers. None of the Rolex diamonds are certified by GIA. Now, what is GIA? Most people don't know. If you don't know, it is a certificate, or it's a independent grading place. They're very tough on grading. Recently, there's some reports that they're a little less tough, but they're the most tough out of all the grading houses, right? And they are run by, I believe it's a charity it's under, not a charity, but it is a nonprofit. So it is something where they're completely independent and they study gems and everything. So they know if a diamond is they grade it from D-flawless all the way down to I2, I3, right? But typically you wouldn't submit those stones because it's not worth it. It's a whole story. But staying with the Rolex thing, so somebody there would have to do it. Now at GIA, they are graded by humans, right? Humans make mistakes. We all do, right? It's impossible to not make mistakes. So if you send it the same exact diamond, right? You send it to GIA one day, let's say you get a grade of FVS1, right? But you send it the next day, you get VVS2, and then you get, let's say, D color, right? Because it's very, very, even GIA gives different reports with different humans, right? Typically around the same grading, but sometimes above, sometimes below. It just depends on what you get. So it is impossible to say that Rolex is, the whole point of the story, it's impossible to say that Rolex is D-flawless with all their stones, or all their diamonds. Right? But they are very, very high quality. I always tell people by factory, and that's just the way it is, right? Because they won't even service if it's done aftermarket. So let me know your opinions. Let me know if you knew this, if you thought they were D-flawless. I would like to know in the comments, and I will definitely catch you in the next one. Have a great day.